Welcome to Swag Thought of the Week featuring Lonnie Anderson.
This is Lonnie Anderson. This is Swag Thought of the Week, and it's small beginnings. I'm originally from Wagon Mound. My family's from Wagon Mound. I live in the South Valley. I have a family down there, and I work with kids down in the South Valley. I started out this life, left at an orphanage. I was abandoned at an orphanage and was adopted by a family. And my mom was great, really loved her. My dad was great too. He was a really good guy, but he was pretty violent and pretty tough. So I was raised to be a bully. I was raised to be extremely violent. I saw my first gunfight when I was about 6 years old. My dad had been beat up by these two guys breaking into the bar that he was running, and he was able to get away from them, and he came up to the camper trailer where we were staying, and the guns were underneath my and my brother's bed, and he threw us off the bed and grabbed a .357, and before he even made it out the door, he was firing rounds at this truck. So that was I saw a pretty nasty gunfight at about 6, and was raised around violence. My dad and mom fought a lot, and it was a couple times when we had to drag my dad off, and my mom was beating her up by the washing machine. So the thing with swag is I've come from a pretty violent and was taught to be a bully, and I was able to kind of put that to the side and really go after my dreams. I started out as a janitor in this small town in Wyoming, and I was able to work myself up to working in New York City with Spike Lee. I got to meet Samuel L. Jackson, and I got to meet Prince and Lenny Kravitz and all these amazing actors and performers. And so I really think for the youth out there that it doesn't matter where you come from. You can come from a little tiny small town in Wyoming, but if you dream big, you really can accomplish all those dreams. There's a lot of tools and a lot of people like us out there. We're here, and we want to give a shout out to the youth that I live right there in the South Valley, but I work in Dubai. I'm working in Dubai right now on the other side of the world, and in New York. And even though I live in the South Valley in Albuquerque, I'm able to work all over the world and work on some amazing things. I work for Nike and Microsoft, and I just got done working for the government of the United Arabs on their healthcare plans and different things. So it's one of those things that you can dream. Again, no matter where you come from, if you dream big, you can accomplish your goals. So that's kind of what I want to be. I want to put a shout out there is that we're here to help you guys. Give us a call. Go on Facebook, like us, set up an appointment, contact us. We're here. We're in the neighborhood, and we really want to reach out and help people. Especially, I have a lot of experience in the violence, so I'd love to reach out and kind of tell you how I made it through. So thank you.
For more information about swag, check us out on Facebook under SWAG, or find us under our Facebook email address, swagbound. Thank you in advance for liking our page. Swag on.